So, there's a way to 3D print pictures, and that's by a method called Lithophanes, which is by making the plastic thinner or thicker depending on the colour of the picture. So if it's black, it'd be thick, if it's white, it'd be thin. So the colour is based on how much light is passed through the back of the lithophane. So I decided, instead of making a 2D lithophane, I should make a 3D lithophane, which isn't as cool as you think, but is still kinda cool, I guess. I don't know. Anyway, let's just go and see the time lapse. So you might have realised there's no time lapse, and that's because it failed 4 separate times. I did get it to successfully print, but the plastic kept snapping. Over there, as you can see, it snapped right now. I didn't even realise it did. That was just perfect timing. Anyway, that snapped, and that meant none of these printed successfully. The one that did print successfully was this one. As you can see, oh, can't see it that well. If you tilt it, you can see it. There's like an outline of the 3D printer. This very printer right there. Ow. So yeah, I was trying to print like a 3D model with 2D photos, if that makes any sense. I think it kind of came out quite well, apart from the fact that many failed. But if you don't look at it too harshly, it looks pretty nice. Like you got the right side with the filament on it, got the back, got the left side, the right, and got the front. And if you look carefully, you can kind of see it saying EEP. I still don't know why that says EEP. It just makes no sense. And you can kind of see that bottom text there that says 3D printer. So yeah, this experiment kind of failed, but that's purely because of the plastic. I might return to this whole sector of 3D printing later time when that's sorted. But for now, this is my end result of 3D printing 3D lithophanes.